Hello guys, good morning. In Spanish is Buenos Dias. So, welcome to my channel guys. So, ang topic natin ngayon is about the Spanish family vocabulary. So, number 1 is family vocabulary. In Spanish is vocabulario familiar. So, the second one is regards or greetings. In Spanish is saludos. The third one is goodbyes. Goodbyes. In Spanish is despedidas. The last one is personal information. In Spanish is information personal. So, start tayo guys. So, sinulat ko na to guys para medyo mabilis tayo. So, start tayo sa in Spanish is vocabulario familiar. In English is family vocabulary. So, number 1 guys, dito tayo sa abuelo. Abuelo in Spanish. In English is grandfather. Grandfather. Number 2, abuela in Spanish. In English means grandmother. Grandmother. So, number 3, padre in Spanish. In English means father. Father. So, number 4, madre in Spanish. In English means mother. Mother. So, number 5, hijo. Hijo means, in English is son. Number 6, hija in Spanish. In English means daughter. Daughter. So, number 7. Number 7, sobrino in Spanish. In English means nephew. 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 So, number 8, sobrina in Spanish. In English means niece. Niece. So, sa number 9 tayo guys. So, primo in Spanish. In English means cousin boy. Cousin boy. Ito yung pinsan mo na lalaki. So, number 10 guys. Prima in Spanish. In English means cousin girl. Cousin girl. Cousin girl. So, number 11 guys. Nieto in Spanish. In English means grandson. Grandson. So, number 12 guys. Nieta in Spanish. In English means granddaughter. Granddaughter. So, nuero, number 13, nuero in Spanish is son-in-law. Nuero in Spanish, in English is son-in-law. Number 14, nuera. Nuera in Spanish, in English is daughter-in-law. So, number 15 guys. So, cuñado. Cuñado means, in English, cuñado in Spanish, in English means brother, brother-in-law. So, number 16 guys, cuñada in Spanish, in English means sister, sister-in-law. So, number 17 guys, in Spanish is marido. Marido. The last one is esposo. Esposo. Pareho lang ito yung dalawa guys ha. Marido, esposo in Spanish. In English means husband. 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 So, continue tayo guys. Dito tayo sa number 18. So, number 18, esposo in Spanish, in English means Esposa in Spanish, in English means wife. Wife. So, number 19, hermano in Spanish. In English means brother. Brother. So, number 20, in Spanish, hermana. In English is sister. Sister. So number 21, guys. Number 21, in Spanish, amigo. In English is friend, boy. Ito yung kaibigan mong lalaki. So number 22, guys, amiga. Amiga, in Spanish, in English means friend, girl. So number 23, niño. Niño in Spanish, in English is child, boy. Child, boy. So number 24, niña in Spanish, in English is child, girl. Child, girl. So number 25, chico. Chico in Spanish, in English is guy. Guy. Number 26, chico in Spanish, in English is guy. So number 26, chica in Spanish, in English is girl. Girl. So dito tayo sa number 27. Hombre in Spanish. So tandaan natin, guys, yung Spanish words, guys, pag binasa mo to sa English, guys, is hombre. Hombre. Pero yung Spanish, guys, nakamute yung H nila. So, pag binasa mo to, guys, pag binasa mo sa Spanish to, guys, is hombre. Hombre. Nakamute yung H nila. So, dito tayo sa hombre. Hombre in Spanish. So, in English is man. Man. So, number 28, mujer. Mujer means, in English is woman. 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 Dito tayo sa number 29. Number 29. Suegro in Spanish, in English is father in law. So number 30, guys, suegra. Suegra in Spanish, in English is mother. Mother in law. So number 31, guys, novio. Novio in Spanish, in English is your boyfriend. Boyfriend. Ito yung syota mong lalaki. So number 32, guys. Number 32, novia in Spanish. In English is girlfriend mo. Girlfriend mo pala. Girlfriend. So, number 33, amigos y amigas. So, guys, sa Spanish, guys, ang amigos y amigas. In English, guys, is N. Itong Y, guys, is N. So, kung babasahin mo ito sa English, is amigos, N. N, amigas. So, in Spanish is, ganito yung N nila. Y. Y yung N nila. So, number 33, amigos y amigas. So, ito yung friends. Babae or lalaki. Plural to siya, guys, ha. Maraming babae, maraming lalaki. So, amigos y amigas. Means friends. Friends. So, dito tayo sa 34. Corazon. Corazon. Friends. Ito yung friends. So, dito tayo sa number 34. Corazon. Corazon. So, corazon in Spanish. In English is heart. Heart. Pwede rin siyang love. Pwede mo rin sabihin na my love. My love. So, vecino. Vecino in Spanish, in English is neighbor. 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 So, yun lang guys. So, next topic tayo guys. Dito tayo sa number 2. In Spanish is saludos. Saludos. In English means regards or greetings. Greetings. So, start tayo dito sa number 1. In Spanish is hola, buenos dias. In English means hello, good morning. Good morning. Number 1, hola, buenos dias. In Spanish, in English means hello, good morning. So, dito tayo sa number 2. In Spanish is hola, buenas tardes. So, in English means hello, good afternoon. Number 2, in Spanish, hola, buenas tardes. In English means hello, good afternoon. So, dito tayo sa number 3. In Spanish is hola, buenas noche. Noche means in English is hello, good evening or good night. So, number 3 guys, in Spanish is hola, buenas noches. Noche. In English means hello, good evening, or good night. So, dito tayo sa number 4. Number 4. In Spanish is ¿cómo estás? ¿Cómo estás? Ito naman, pangalawa, ¿qué tal? ¿Qué tal? So, itong ¿cómo estás at saka si ¿qué tal is pareho lang siya. Pareho lang. In English means how are you? How are you? How are you? So, number 4, in Spanish is ¿cómo estás? At saka si ¿qué tal? So, in English is how are you? How are you? So, number 5 tayo guys. So, ¿estás bien? In Spanish, ¿estás bien? So, in English means you are fine or you are okay. So, number 5, ¿estás bien? In Spanish. So, in English is you are fine or you are okay. So, tandaan natin guys. Sa Spanish guys, pag question mark guys is dalawa. Dalawa yung question mark nila guys. Pag nagtatanong guys ha, dito nila nilalagay sa umpisa at saka sa pinaka dulo. Pero pag English lang guys, dito lang sa dulo yung question mark. Pero pag Spanish, dalawa. Start and the end. So, yun lang guys. So, dito tayo sa number 6. Number 6. In Spanish is que tenga un buen día. In English means have a good day. So, number 6 in Spanish is que tenga un buen día. In English means have a good day. Have a good day. So, number 7, guys. Number 7 is feliz fin de semana. Number 8, feliz cumpleaños. So, number 7, guys. So, in Spanish is feliz fin de semana. Semana means happy weekend. So, number 7 in Spanish is feliz fin de semana. In English means happy weekend. So, dito tayo sa number 8. In Spanish is feliz cumpleaños. Feliz cumpleaños. In English means happy birthday. Happy birthday. So, next topic tayo, guys. Dito tayo sa number 3. Number 3. So, in Spanish is despedidas. Despedidas. In English means is goodbyes. Goodbye. So, dito tayo sa number 1. In Spanish, adios in Spanish. In English means is goodbye. Goodbye. So, dito sa number 2, guys, hasta luego. Hasta luego. Tandaan natin, guys, pag Spanish words, guys, itong hasta, nakamute yung H nila, guys, ha. Pag binasa mo ito sa English, guys, is hasta. Pag binasa mo ito sa Spanish, itong hasta is hasta. So, number 2, guys, in Spanish is hasta luego. So, the same lang siya, guys. In English is goodbye. Goodbye. Hasta luego means in English is goodbye. Goodbye. So, dito tayo sa number 3. So, ciao in Spanish, in English is the same. The same lang siya, guys. Itong goodbye or bye. Pwede rin siyang bye or goodbye. So, dito tayo sa number 4. Number 4. So, in Spanish is hasta pronto. Hasta pronto. In English means see you soon. See you soon. So, number 5, guys. In Spanish is hasta mañana. Hasta mañana. So, in English means is see you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. So, next topic tayo, guys. So, last topics tayo, guys. Dito tayo sa number 4. Number 4. In Spanish is information personal. In English means personal information. So, dito tayo sa number 1. In Spanish is ¿cómo te llamas? So, in English means what is your name? What is your name? So, number 1 guys, in Spanish is, ¿Cómo te llamas? So, in English means, what is your name? So, lagi nating tandaan guys ha, pag Spanish guys, pag question mark, dalawa yung question mark nila. Nilalagay nila dito sa umpisa at saka sa huli. Pero pag English guys is, isa lang yung question mark sa pinaka-dulo. So, dito tayo sa number 2. So, in Spanish is, ¿Cuántos años tienes? ¿Cuántos años tienes? So, in English means, how old are you? So, number 2. In Spanish, guys, is, ¿Cuántos años tienes? So, in English means, how old are you? So, isa lang yung question mark kaya, guys, ha? Question mark. So, dito tayo sa number 3. So, number 3, in Spanish is, ¿De dónde vives? ¿De dónde vives? So, in English means, where do you live? Where do you live? So, number 3, guys, in Spanish is, ¿De dónde vives? So, in English means, where do you live? So, number 4, guys, dito tayo sa number 4. Number 4, pinakalas, guys. So, ¿De dónde eres? ¿De dónde eres? Means in English is, where are you from? Isa lang yung question mark, guys, ha, pag English, guys. So, number 4, guys, ¿De dónde eres? ¿De dónde eres? So, means in English is, where are you from? So dito lang, guys. Dito lang nagtatapos yung topics natin, guys. So, sana, guys, marami kayong natutunan sa video ko na to, guys. So, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notification. So, maraming salamat, guys. Yun lang, guys. Bye-bye. Means in Spanish is, adios.